Multigrain atta. Now that's more than just a fancy name for flour. It's actually a powerhouse blend of whole grains like wheat, oats, barley, millets, maize, and soy, each bringing its own benefits to the table. So, what's in it for you and your family? Let's break down the top 10 reasons I swear by multigrain atta for our daily meals. First, it's a nutritional all-star. You get a mix of B vitamins, iron, magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants all in one, supporting overall health and even your children's growth. Second, that high fiber content? It's your gut's new best friend, helping with regular digestion, preventing constipation, and keeping everything running smoothly. Next, for anyone watching their sugar, multigrain atta has a low glycemic index. That means it releases glucose slowly, helping manage blood sugar and providing steady energy, no spikes or crashes. Now, if you're aiming for weight control, listen up. The fiber keeps you full for longer, so you're less likely to reach for those extra snacks. Heart health matters too. Grains like oats and barley in the mix help lower bad cholesterol and support a healthy heart. Immunity gets a boost as well. Thanks to all those minerals and antioxidants, your family's defense system stays strong. And speaking of energy, complex carbs in multigrain atta give you that slow, sustained release, perfect for busy mornings or active kids. It doesn't stop there. Soy and other grains pack in protein, helping with muscle growth and recovery. Super handy for growing children and fitness lovers alike. Plus, the vitamins and minerals help keep skin glowing and hair healthy. Best of all, multigrain atta is versatile. Use it in rotis, parathas, pancakes, or even cookies. It adds a nutty taste and loads of nutrition, without compromising on flavor. So, if you're looking to make a simple switch for your family's health, multigrain atta is an easy and delicious start. Try it in your next meal and see the difference for yourself.